This is Cooking with Chef 2, and today's episode isn't sponsored. However, it's inspired by one of my favorite books and authors. This is The Committed by Viet Thanh Nguyen, National Pulitzer Prize winner. And this is a sequel to his first book, The Sympathizer, one of my favorite books. It's so dope. And in this book, there's a reference to curry gà, which is one of my favorite recipes. If that sounds familiar, that's translated into chicken curry. And I'm going to do it in my Vietnamese way with my recipe that's well spiced and has lots and lots of flavor. Check it out.
To make curry gà, Vietnamese curry chicken, I like to start off with a big pot. Specifically, I like to use a cast iron Dutch oven. Preheat your cast iron pot for 2 to 3 minutes on high, and then add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add 2 pounds of chicken thighs and then brown on one side for 5 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of minced shallot, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced lemongrass, 1 tablespoon of Hawaiian ginger, 1 tablespoon of fresh minced turmeric. Add 6 to 8 macroot lime leaves and any leftover lemongrass scraps you may have. Make sure to mix thoroughly with a spoon and then let it brown for 5 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of tiger saute, 1 teaspoon of fermented chili paste, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, 16 ounces of chicken stock, 16 ounces of coconut water, 1 can of coconut milk. Then add your onions, potatoes, and carrots. And last, add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Bring it to a simmer and cook for 45 minutes. You'll know it's done when the potatoes are fork tender. And to serve, you could garnish it with scallions, Thai basil, sometimes cilantro, and most importantly, it's very traditional to serve it with a baguette or a side of rice. Enjoy. There you have it. This is my decolonized recipe of curry gà. That's Vietnamese curry chicken, inspired by Viet Thanh Nguyen's novel, The Committed.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode with Cooking with Chef 2. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell so that way you know when the new episodes are out. And make sure you check out the book. Full recipe is in the description below. Check you guys later.